Hello， 大家好，又嚟到我哋嘅 Daily Question 嘅系列啦。咁今日咧，我哋就會嚟講呢個 DSE M1 嘅。咁大家咧就睇一睇條題目先。咁我哋咧就見到 Part A 咧，佢係問 Find the probability that the system will work。咁我哋知道咧，而家佢嘅 system 咧係 consist of 一個 solar panel 啦，同埋係有4粒嘅 batteries 嘅。咁佢點先會 work 啊？嗱，你要習慣自己寫啲 notes 俾自己啊，去提醒自己。原來只要個 solar panel works 咧，同埋至少2粒電池 works 咧，咁呢個 system 咧就會 work 噶啦。咁而我哋亦都知道 solar panel works 嘅 probability 啦，同埋每粒電池 works 分別嘅 probability 係幾多嘅。咁我哋咧就開始做啦。咁個 probability of part A 咧就係個 system will work 咧，就係你首先個 solar panel 咧係一定要 work 嘅先。之後咧我哋係應該有3個 case 咧係要乘翻佢嘅。分別就係 4C2 啦，乘 0.9 嘅2次方啦，乘 0.1 嘅2次方，再加 4C3 乘 0.9 嘅3次方，再乘 0.1， 同埋再加翻 0.9 嘅4次方嘅。咁點解係呢3個 case 啊？就係分別係2粒電池 works 啦，3粒電池 works 啦，同埋4粒電池全部都 works 嘅 probability， 我哋都係要乘晒佢嘅。好啦，咁所以咧答案出到嚟咧，應該係 0.79704 嘅。咁點解我哋要乘啲 combination 4C2、4C3 咁樣咧？就係我哋攞 4C2 嚟做 examples 啊。嗱，我哋唔知道邊2粒電池係 works 嘅，可以係第1粒、第2粒啦，第1粒、第3粒啦，甚至乎係第3粒、第1粒調翻轉都係得嘅。咁所以咧，我哋就要乘翻個 combination， 係容許呢啲 probability， 呢啲電池嘅 probability 咧係調位嘅。好啦，而之後咧，我哋就睇下 B 啦。B 咧，大家應該見到我升咗 given dash 啦。咁呢條題目都好明顯咧，我哋係要用 conditional probability 去做嘅。咁而佢叫我哋揾嘅咧，就係個 solar panels 啦，即係 0.8 嗰個啦，係要 keeps working 嘅。咁而 given dash 咧，成個 system 咧係要唔 works 嘅。咁所以我哋都知道咧，下面個分母應該係要除翻1減 0.79704 啦。因為上面 0.79704 咧就係計到個 system works 嘅機會率啦，係啦，咁上面咧就應該係 0.8 啦，再乘翻唔 works 嘅機會率啦，即係分別係0粒電池同埋1粒電池去 works 嘅啫，所以0粒電池 works 即係全部都唔 works 啦，即係 0.1 嘅4次方啦，咁再加 4C1 啦，即係淨係得1粒電池 works 嘅機會率啦。OK。咁所以計到出嚟嘅答案咧，記住攞翻 4 decimal places 去做啦。OK， 咁所以應該大家咧就會出到係 0.0146 噶啦。好，希望呢條題目幫到大家啦。